we don't have a table. Daddy, can you make us a table?
Of course I can.
Where did that come from? I don't know. Let's go play more. Okay. Try my bicycle. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
So firstly, we're going to begin with these slats. So let's get these prepped and let's get these marked up and cut out and ready for assembly to make our first square structure. So I've made the cuts, now I've made it into a square. I decided to go for 51.5 for the long edge and just shy of 30 centimeters, so 29.5 centimeters for the sides to give it a rectangular look. But this you can make even smaller because whatever you're going to put on top as the design will cover this. So this is literally like the main underbrace or the skeleton, so to speak. So now let's use my straps and let's see how they perform. This would be maybe my second time using it, so let's see. That's our main top square. I've managed to attach one screw on each corner because of the straps. Now the straps are off and one is already attached. I'm able to now attach further one each on either corner to make it 2. Now let's work on the legs. These are 122 centimeters in total length, so I am gonna half them, so 61 centimeters let's say, and try to get 4 legs out of them, sand them and then get them ready to attach to the top base that we've made earlier. So the legs have been cut to size and now let's give them a quick sand over. These had a lot of splinters. Now it's a bit better. Maybe I will sand them later on even more. But now let's get ready to attach these, and I've got my clamps ready. So that's just one screw, and now I'm going to add further one screw on each corner. This is to stop it from going side to side. So these are the 2 screws that I was talking about on each corner. Now let's put the table on its feet. Looking very nice, and now let's move on to the next step. So these are the pallet pieces that I've picked out. I've quickly sanded them, sanded the edges down to get rid of the sharp edges, as you can see. So this will be placed at the top of the table to create the Adirondack design. So I've placed the pallet pieces on top of the table, and now I'm going to mark out a curve get a curved design on the tabletop. Then I'm going to mark 2 centimeters from each side, then do a curve.
My dad cut the angles off. He cuts the angles and he can see my daddy, but he didn't cut a curve. But he can do something. But he can do a measure. Let's get into the video.
Now I'm going to use the cut pieces as the template to replicate that on the other side. So this is the tabletop already and prepped. I've turned it upside down and made 2 braces to go on either side to keep the slats in place, and then I'm going to attach the tabletop right onto the main brace, which you will see. So now let's get the braces attached. So we're using this space as we go along to keep the distancing the same. So now the brace is ready to take the tabletop. I have further sanded it down, done a bit of the edges to make it look as identical as possible, and now let's place it on top. I've already pre-drilled holes to attach right into the leg from the top, so the top part is attached to the brace, and now we're going to just screw them in. Yeah, I'm happy with the sturdiness, and now let's get it stained. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel and not miss out on the upcoming projects. Thank you.